children, today let's start with chapter number 8, Nationalist Movement, 1870 to 1947. So in preceding chapter, we delved into British takeover of Indian territories, implementation of new laws, and far-reaching changes in the tribal communities and precincts. So we also explored transformation in education system, ongoing debates about status of movement and challenges posed by caste system. So further, we discussed with decline of traditional crafts and rise of industry. So revolt of 1857 marked a pivotal turning point in the Indian history and a series of significant changes occurred. And Indian came under the control of British Crown. To prevent reoccurrence of the similar report, British policy, the divide and rule provide, right? Now, during the revolt, English educated class had largely refrained from participating. They realized that their hopes of obtaining government jobs from the British were what futile. Now we have notable among that Indian Association, Madras Mahajan Sabha, Bombay Presidency, and Pune Swarajnika Sabha. So despite having regional name, these associations had a nationwide influence. Dissatisfaction with British rule had been simmering for the considerable period. So Arms Act 1878, मतलब ये इसमें आप आर्म कैरी नहीं कर सकते. वर्नाकुलर प्रेस है, फ्रीडम ऑफ प्रेस, इल्बर्ट बिल जिसमें आपको जजेस हैं, दे कैन प्रोसाइड द केसेस ड्यूरिंग ब्रिटिश एंड यूरोपियन इंडिविजुअल. सो 1885 आईएनसी वाज एस्टैब्लिश किसके सपोर्ट से? एओयू, एक रिटायर्ड ब्रिटिश सिविल सर्वेंट थे. एंड इनॉग्रल मीटिंग इन बॉम्बे इन दिसंबर 1885, 72 डेलीगेट्स ने ये मीटिंग अटेंड करी थी. उसमें से कुछ आपको मैं बताती हूँ, दादा भाई नौरोजी, फिरोज शाह मेहता, बबरुद्दीन तैयब, बब्बू सी बनर्जी एंड अमंग अदर्स. नाउ लेट्स स्टडी अबाउट मॉडरेट फेस. ठीक है, जो नरम दल होते हैं. अर्ली फेज ऑफ नेशनलिस्ट मूवमेंट कॉमनली रेफर्स टू एज मॉडरेट फेज बिकॉज द लीडर्स से they demand during this period were largely moderate in nature, right? They often characterize at the time of seeking concession and compromise. Now, some key demands made during the moderate phase were Indianization of civil service, separation of executive from judiciary, expansion of legislative council, repeal of arms and vernacular press act, इकोनॉमिक डिमांड जैसे आपका रिडक्शन हुआ रेवेन्यू और मिलिट्री एक्सपेंडिचर को. दादा भाई नौरोजी इंट्रोड्यूस ग्रेन थ्योरी. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस थ्योरी आप क्या कर सकते हो, जो इंडिया की वेल्थ है टू ब्रिटेन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सैलरी, पेंशन और अदर फाइनेंशियल मीन्स. द मॉडरेट फेज लेड टू ग्राउंड वर्क ऑफ द एक्सट्रीमिस्ट फेज. The moderates, although they have did secure some of their demands, they played a vital role in revealing the exploitative mandate. Most significantly, they fostered political awareness among the masses and so preparing them for the future political action. और वो अपने को किसके लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे थे? फ्यूचर पॉलिटिकल एक्शन के. नाउ पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल 1905 में क्या हुआ? बंगाल का पार्टीशन हुआ. ठीक है, which was based on Grizzly report in 1904, which stated that Bengal united is a power and Bengal divided will pull in several different ways. So we can say that the official reason given for the division was administrative convenience, but actual reason was to curb the revolutionary activity. So this participation is sparked widespread protest among the people of Bengal. Both Hindu and Muslims united, singing Vande Mataram with the movement soon spread other parts of India. People decided to boycott foreign goods and consequently the movement it came to be known as Swadeshi movement, or it was success movement, right? It means that revolutionary terrorism as a means to end British. Now, growth of radical nationalism or extremism. At the turn of 20th century, new group, जिसका नाम था extremist, emerged. Prominent leader this militant nationalist group included Bal Gangadhar, Lala Rajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra Pal, Aurobindo Ghosh. They declared Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. The extremists had different aims compared to moderate. They believed that the British would be not hate the peace of India and they will strengthen the masses. So what happened? They strengthened mass and aimed to achieve Swaraj through mass action, which marked the significant shift in the nationalist movement. जिससे हमने क्या करा कि इसको ट्रांसफॉर्म करें इनटू अ मास मूवमेंट एंड प्रिपेयरिंग इंडियन फॉर्म प्रोलॉन्ग स्टेप. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मुस्लिम लीग 1906 में फॉर्मेशन हुआ मुस्लिम लीग का एंड लॉर्ड कर्जन टोड ईस्ट बंगाल एंड नवाब सलीमुल्लाह एंड अदर लैंडलॉर्ड्स एडवोकेटिंग फॉर सेपरेट स्टेट फॉर मुस्लिम्स, right? So what happened? Conversely, the Hindu Mahasabha was formed. What happened in 1950? Hindu Mahasabha was formed. And impact of First World War 1914 to 80. The First World War was concluded in 1980 and had a profound impact on India. Indian soldiers who had fought in the war hoped the independence from the British. So the war also led to increase in taxes to meet rising defense expenditure, causing sharp rise in prices, जिसने क्या करा common people को affect करा. So one of the most significant consequences of the war was the influence of social ideas on nationalist movement. In 1970, revolution occurred in Russia, right? Then Gandhiji and the nationalist movement. So we can say Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Gandhi, returned to India in 1950 from South Africa. During his first year in India, what he did, he told her countryside, nationalist movement need to be a strong leader. Masses had to be actively involved in the movement, and Hindu-Muslim unity had to be forced to present a united front in the movement. Right? Next is Gandhiji gained the trust of peasants and workers by supporting the cause in places like Champaran, Ahmedabad, Kheda, and it successfully. आप देखेंगे चंपारण 1917 में, खेड़ा 1918 में हुआ था. Its efforts were untouchable as Harijan and children of God. जिस साल क्या कर सके इस डिस्क्रिमिनेशन को कॉम्बैट कर सके. रॉल एक्ट in 1990 it was passed allowing any Indian to imprison without trial for up to 2 years. This law was widely condemned by all sections of society. Gandhiji called a satyagraha non-violent resistance on April 6, 1990 and a day of fasting and prayer. Simultaneously, protests against that erupted in other part of the country and government responded to these demonstrations with ruthless suppression. Jallianwala on April 30, 19, government troops acting on the order from General Dyer opened fire on peaceful gathering at the people at Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar. जो masquerade था, which is innocent, men, women and children were killed and they were shocked not only Indian but entire world. So in protest, Rabindranath Tagore wanted to, उनका टाइटल था ना नाइटहुड का, उन्होंने क्या करा अनाउंस कर. Caliphate education, that is after the conclusion of the First World War, the British say what they imposed. They imposed Treaty of Turkey leading to its division. Caliph was recognized as a spiritual head of Muslims. Next is non-cooperation movement जो 1920 हुई, means it was a significant movement. इसके several objectives थे. Protest against Rowlatt Act, जलियांवाला बाग मस्करा, और ये सपोर्ट करना चाहते थे खिलाफत मूवमेंट को और डिमांड थी इनकी स्वराज मीन्स सेल्फ रूल. ड्यूरिंग द नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट पीपल मेड सिग्निफिकेंट सैक्रिफाइस. उन्होंने जो टाइटल्स थे वो अपने छोड़ दिए. स्टूडेंट दे लेफ्ट देयर गवर्नमेंट कंट्रोल स्कूल्स कॉलेजेस लॉ सीज. लिक्वर शॉप को बाइकआउट करा गया, राइट. एंड द मूवमेंट गैदर एंथुसिस्टिक पार्टिसिपेशन ऑफ द सिंध, बंगाल एंड पंजाब. पंजाब सिख एम टू रिमूव करप्ट merchants and they were supported by the British, while in Assam tea plantation laborers demanded higher wages. So in 1922, Gandhiji decided to halt the non-cooperation due to outbreak of violence at Chauri Chaura and it set a fire to a police station. Gandhiji 10 urged Congress members to focus on the constructive work in rural area. Some members including Chittaranjan Das and Motilal Nehru, they were in the favor of Congress participation. वो इम्पैक्ट क्या पड़ा आपका रशियन रेवोल्यूशन का न्यू पॉलिटिकल एंटिटीज में. इन रशियन रेवोल्यूशन ऑफ 1917 had a significant impact on India. This led to formation of Communist Party in 1920. ठीक है. Then we have Lahore session and the call for independence. So at Lahore session of Congress in 1920 under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru, who succeeded Motilal Nehru, decided to observe 26 January 1930 as an Independence Day throughout the country. On this day, 3 color strike would be hosted और जो डिमांड था पूर्ण स्वराज, that is complete independence would be made. Salt March and civil disobedience movement. So in 1930, Gandhiji initiated famous Salt March from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi, covering a distance of 240 miles with his 78 followers. Right? And after that, the success of movement prompted British to recognize need of negotiation and leading to Gandhi-Irwin Pact. 1931 में आपका क्या होता है, Gandhi-Irwin Pact होता है and civil disobedience movement was officially concluded in 1930. एक आउटकम क्या था, collective struggle of the people was pass of government of India at 1930. Then we have World War II and the Quit India movement. When World War II erupted 1939, what India offered support on the condition that independence would follow the war conclusion. इससे क्या हुआ, डिक्लाइन हुआ, demand leading to resignation of the Congress ministries. In response to British refusal, Gandhiji launched a Quit India movement in 1942 with slogan Do or Die. After the movement initiation, the British arrested most of its leader including Gandhi, and movement what happened rapidly gained momentum, और जो लोग थे people from all the walks of life joining, British responded with the severe repression. और उन्होंने क्या करा, 90,000 people, what causing over 100 casualties were arrested. Now demand for separate state. 1940 Karachi session Muslim League put for the demand of separate state. जो किस पे बेस्ड होगी, टू नेशन थ्योरी पे, हिंदू एंड मुस्लिम. 1945 British engaged in the negotiation with both Congress and Muslim League to discuss Indian independence. So what happened? These talks failed due to steadfast position held at both parties. In 1946, new elections were held in the province and the Congress performed well in the general constitution. जो Muslim Leagues हैं, they made significant. In March 1940, three-member cabinet mission visited India to discuss a suitable framework for independent India. They proposed a united India with loose confederation, and subsequently जो Muslim League की what it declared 16th August 1946 as a direct action में, और 15 अगस्त को finally हमने independence मिला, and the immediate aftermath independence witnessed widespread violence and thousands losing their lives, millions becoming refugees. They mixed joy gaining freedom from the British rule and sorrow over participation of country. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.